we've got Miami 2017 here. We just did the random for the case, landed on number 13 out in front of you. The bonus item was number 6. It was the George W. Bush signed Rangers hat. A nice presidential piece right there. All right, what we got here? First one of these ripped open today. Wow. Okay. This is pretty good. How about a flawless 1 of 1 Shoeless Joe Jackson bat knob? Holy moly. Holy crap. That is amazing. I didn't even know they had anything like this. Shoeless Joe Jackson 1 of 1 bat knob. Let's freaking go. Awesome hit, man. Congratulations. Alright, next up, we got a Christian Pulisic. This is from the 2017 National Convention VIP event. He's graded as a Gem Mid 10. This is one of his first Prism cards, too. Wow. Miami, awesome hit, man. Awesome hit. Alright, next. We got a redemption for a Jorge Soler signed game-used hat, which is MLB authenticated and JSA authenticated on the autograph. I'll pull that out at the end here. All right, next is a Kyler Murray 2019 Select Sensations PSA Gem Mint 10. I have one of Shoeless Joe Jackson's shoes. Not really. That's awesome. Next, got a Magic Johnson autograph. This is from, it's like co-signers? So it might just be regular tops. On card, Irvin Magic Johnson, 2001 tops. Can't remember the last time I saw a Magic Johnson autograph in anything other than a Panini product. And our last piece, we got another redemption here. And this one is a Bo Jackson signed silk cachet, and that is JSA authenticated, so I'll pull that one out as well. This is pretty sweet. Unbelievable hit right there, man. Joe Jackson, bat knob. Awesome. Congratulations, buddy. And again, I will get all this stuff packed up and shipped out ASAP.